Some things boys love so deeply that they never say them out loud, not because they don't feel them, but because they don't know how to admit them. They hide it behind jokes, silence, or pretending they don't care. But their actions always give them away. If you've ever wondered what quietly makes him weak, soft, or emotionally attached, this video will explain it. These are the things that stay in his heart long after moments pass. Stay till the end, because the last point is the one boys feel the most, but protect the hardest. Welcome back to SoulSync, where we talk about love the way it actually feels. 1. When you notice small changes in him. Boys secretly love when you notice things they didn't explain or announce. When you sense a change in his mood, his tone, or his energy, it makes him feel seen. Saying something simple like, "You seem quieter today," touches him emotionally. He may deny it, but inside, it softens him. It tells him he doesn't have to perform strength around you. He feels understood without being questioned. That quiet awareness creates safety in his heart. Most boys are not used to emotional attention. They're often expected to handle everything silently. So when you notice small shifts without forcing conversation, it feels comforting to them. It shows emotional intelligence and care. He doesn't feel exposed or pressured. Instead, he feels accepted. That kind of understanding feels rare to him. And rare things matter more. He might brush it off or change the topic, but the feeling stays. He remembers that you noticed. Over time, he becomes more comfortable being real around you. He starts feeling emotionally lighter in your presence. You slowly become someone he trusts. That trust is where attachment quietly grows. And once it grows, it's hard for him to ignore. 2. Soft teasing that feels affectionate, not disrespectful. Boys secretly love playful teasing when it feels warm, not cruel. Gentle jokes that make them smile instead of defend themselves hit differently. It makes interactions feel alive and personal. He feels relaxed instead of judged. That playful energy creates chemistry without pressure. It feels flirty without being obvious, and that balance is powerful. When you tease him lightly, it shows confidence and comfort. It tells him you're not intimidated by him. He starts enjoying conversations more. He looks forward to your reactions. Even small moments become memorable. This kind of teasing feels safe, not threatening. And safety makes attraction grow naturally. He may never say it, but this teasing makes him feel desired. It creates a private rhythm between you two. He starts associating you with fun and warmth. When that energy disappears, he misses it. That's how habits form emotionally, and habits slowly turn into attachment. 3. When you make him feel emotionally capable. Boys secretly love feeling useful in quiet, meaningful ways. Not because they want control, but because it gives them purpose. When you ask for his advice or opinion, it makes him feel valued. He feels trusted, not tested. That respect boosts his confidence internally. It tells him he matters in your world, and that feeling stays with him. He may act casual about helping you, but inside, it makes him feel important. Boys don't always need praise. They need to feel needed in healthy ways. When you involve him emotionally or mentally, it strengthens the bond. He feels like he has a place in your life. That sense of place is powerful. Over time, he starts showing up more. He feels motivated to support you. He feels connected without being forced. This emotional role deepens attachment naturally. He doesn't even realize it's happening, but he starts caring more than he expected, and that's when feelings quietly grow. 4. Your softness during emotional moments. Boys secretly love softness more than intensity. When you stay calm during emotional moments, it surprises them. They expect conflict, not understanding. Your gentle reactions make them feel safe. They don't feel attacked or cornered. Instead, they feel heard. That changes everything for them. Soft communication shows emotional maturity. It tells him you're not here to fight, but to connect. He feels respected instead of judged. That kind of emotional safety is rare for boys. It makes them want to open up slowly. They feel accepted as they are. Over time, he becomes more emotionally available. He shares more without fear. He feels lighter around you. That softness becomes something he protects, because peace is something boys don't often find. And when they do, they hold on to it. 5. When you look at him like he's enough. There's a certain look that makes boys feel deeply seen. Not evaluated, not challenged, just accepted. When you look at him with warmth, it relaxes him. He stops trying to prove himself. He feels calm in your presence. That feeling is rare for him, and rare feelings stay. That look tells him he doesn't need to perform. He doesn't need to impress. He can just exist. That emotional relief hits deeply. Boys carry a lot of silent pressure. Your gaze becomes a safe space. And safe spaces create emotional bonds. He may never talk about it, but he'll remember how you made him feel. He'll crave that calm again. He'll seek your presence subconsciously, because feeling enough is addictive. And once he feels that with you, attachment begins. 6. Your natural femininity. Boys secretly love femininity that feels natural, not forced. Soft reactions, gentle tones, and calm energy affect them deeply. It balances their emotional world. They feel grounded around you. There's no competition or tension, just ease. And ease feels attractive. This kind of femininity makes them feel peaceful. They don't feel challenged or judged. They feel welcomed. That emotional balance makes them stay longer. Talk more. Care deeper. And they don't even know why. Over time, your presence becomes comforting. He associates you with calm. That calm becomes something he values, and what someone values, they protect. That's how feelings quietly strengthen, without drama, without force. 7. When you don't chase but don't disappear. Boys secretly love emotional balance. When you're warm but not desperate, it creates intrigue. You respond, but you don't beg. You care, but you don't chase. That balance feels respectful. It makes them value your attention more. When you don't revolve your life around him, it creates curiosity. He notices your absence. He starts wondering about you. That space allows feelings to grow naturally. No games, just self-respect. And self-respect is attractive. Over time, he becomes more intentional. He reaches out more. He invests emotionally, because what feels stable feels valuable, and what feels valuable becomes desired. That's how attachment deepens. 8. When you make life feel lighter. This is the thing boys rarely admit. They love girls who make life feel easier, less heavy, less stressful. When being around you feels peaceful, it changes everything. You become their emotional reset, their safe moment in chaos. Your presence helps them breathe. They don't feel pressured to be perfect. They feel calm. That calm becomes addictive. They start craving your energy, not for excitement, but for peace. Over time, they realize you matter deeply. They may not say it, but they feel it. Peace is rare for boys, and when someone gives them peace, they don't forget it. That's where love quietly begins. If even one of these points felt familiar, you already understand emotional attraction deeply. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync if soft love and emotional intelligence resonate with you. And tell me in the comments, which one do you think boys hide the most? This space is for quiet love, real feelings, and people who feel deeply. You belong here.